Hello and welcome to our very first Recipe Wednesday as a part of the 2022 Strive for Health April Wellness Challenge. My name is Mary Ann Wright and I'm a 4-H area educator and assistant to the regional coordinator for Lincoln University Cooperative Extension. I'm so excited that you're joining us on this venture and this wellness challenge. All of the material a part of the Strive for Health April Wellness Challenge can be found on the Pemiscot County 4-H Facebook page and on the Strive for Health Google Drive. Today I'm lucky to have several helpers for this recipe, and it's going to be led by my friend and co-worker, Miss Levita Lockridge. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it over to Miss Levita.
Thank you, Mary Ann, for that wonderful introduction. I am glad to be here. As she stated, my name is Levita Lockridge. I work for Lincoln University Cooperative Extension FNET program, which is Expanded Food Nutrition Education Program. I am happy to be here today, and I am joined by and
Camille.
Today we are making ants on a log, and for our ingredients, I'm going to ask Camille if she will please tell us.
The three ingredients that we have today is celery, raisins, and peanut butter.
Thank you, Camille. And if you have an allergy to peanut butter, I also would recommend you to use hummus or any other nut butter. Also, we're going to start today with our celery. We know celery is a plant. We know it needs to be washed thoroughly before you start to use it, okay? We're also going to cut the celery. And because we are using a very sharp knife today, I will be doing the cutting. After we have washed our celery, our next step is to then cut it. You know we have leaves on our celery, so the first thing we should do is cut the leaves from our celery. And we're also going to cut the base. This is called the base of the celery stick. We're going to cut the base. Then you are left with a clean stalk of celery. We are going to cut the celery approximately 10 inches in length.
Cut the celery stalks into 3 pieces.
Wonderful. And there we have our 3 pieces. Next, Alasia, can you tell them the next step?
Spread peanut butter in the edge of the celery. This creates the log of your ants on a log.
Very good. Will you please spread the peanut butter? Peanut butter is a protein. Ants on a log is a very easy, as you'll see, simple recipe that will be great for after school or even before school. Thank you, Alasia. Very good job. She has spread the peanut butter, and now you will please pass it to Camille so that she can spread her peanut butter as well. Thank you. Camille. And for our next step,
Place 2 or 3 raisins on each piece to the ant on a log.
very good. Let's place 2 or 3 raisins on each piece to represent the ants. This is really going to be interesting. Girls, are you ready? Does it look yummy?
Yes.
Well, let's taste it and see, and let's tell our audience how good it is. And how is it?
Good.
Very good. There you have it. Ants on a log.
Yeah, good.
Our celery represents the veggie group. Raisins represent the fruit group because it has a seed, remember? Also, our peanut butter represents our protein group. So to make this food recipe, we use 3 of the food groups. If you really enjoyed this recipe and you would like to make it, you can find this recipe on our Pemiscot County 4-H Facebook page, or you can also find it on our Google Drive document. Thank you so very much, and we look forward to seeing you back next Wednesday for our next Strive for Health Healthy recipe. Thank you. Bye.